just 35 months old. As of today, Dylan has a special secret surprise for you for joining him today. Are you ready, son?
Yes.
Say hola, guys.
Hola, guys.
What Dylan is going to do is share his months of the year in English and Espanol for the first time ever, only after about a week of reviewing them. You think he can do it?
Yes.
Go right ahead. Share your months of the year, son.
Month.
Uh-huh.
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 Yeah.
Way to go, Dylan. Start with January. Uh-huh.
February.
Okay.
March.
Uh-huh.
April.
Okay.
May.
Uh-huh.
June. July. August.
Mm-hmm.
September.
Okay.
October. November. December.
Yay! Just 2 years old. You're sitting here first. Now for the world premiere in Espanol. They're just 2 years old. Dylan, can you say months of the year in Spanish?
Yes.
Go right ahead.
Los meses
Uh-huh.
de
Uh-huh. Go right ahead. Start with a enero.
enero.
Uh-huh.
Febrero.
Yes.
Marzo.
Uh-huh.
Abril.
Yes.
Mayo.
Yes.
Julio.
Junio?
Julio.
Yes.
Agosto.
Yes.
Septiembre.
Uh-huh.
Octubre.
Yes.
Noviembre.
Uh-huh.
Diciembre.
Dylan did it. Hey, smart is what you do with intelligence. Dylan, say like and subscribe, please. And share this video with children all around the world. We're going to inspire lives one child at a time. God bless and good luck.